Let's make a tasty chicken treat. Chicken fingers with a lemon butter sauce. Let's start cooking. This is something your kids will love and it's quite easy to do. And we are using here chicken fingers. May daliri ba yung manok? Wala. It's chicken breast cut into strips to look like fingers. So parang ganun siya. Cut into strips. Yan. Big fingers and small fingers. And very simple lang. Gagawin natin. We are going to season this with salt and pepper, and garlic powder. And I will add a little bit of paprika. Mix natin. You can do this ahead of time, kahit mga 5 to 10 minutes ahead just for the flavors to penetrate the chicken meat. Next, we will prepare our breading mix. So, eggs. Ito, the key is to season everything. So, I'm seasoning my eggs. Yan. Season my flour. Kasi sometimes may lasa yung chicken, ang breading walang lasa. So, very important to season it as well. You can add other herbs here. Pepper, a little bit of pepper. Yan, mix natin. And now, eto, assembly line tayo. So, let's just get some of our chicken fingers and dredge it in our flour. Toss natin. We drop it into our egg mixture. Isa-isa. Coat in our egg mixture. And eto, roll in our breadcrumbs. So, alternative to your chicken nuggets but made with real chicken. Yan, let's fry it one by one. Our oil is hot. Be quick. Oh, beautiful, di ba? Move it around para even yung luto, no? So, ang key mo dito is to really have your oil at the right temperature para mag-sear kagad siya, dumikit siya, and it will crisp up until golden. Ang aking gagawin ngayon para makita nyo na gagawa tayo ng very simple lemon butter sauce. So I have here my butter. I will just cut my butter in half. So this is around 4 tablespoons of butter. And I will add my garlic. And I will make my very nice but very simple lemon. So I have here a bit of water. I will add some cornstarch. I have here sugar. And juice from 1 lemon. And ito, para mas bongga, lemon zest. Very simple. You can make it a bit spicy. So instead of your usual na mga sausawa, na mga sweet chili sauce or garlic mayo, you can also make this, no? Now, I mix my lemon, sugar, water, lemon zest, and I will just let that thicken. So ito siya, you see, nagsiseparate pa yung ating butter. But soon enough, it will emulsify, no? As the starch thickens. You can add a little bit of black pepper and salt, season to taste. Ating sauce on the side. Very nice, no? It's really up to you kung how you want to balance. Some people like it more buttery. And then ito siya, ating chicken fingers. Beautifully fried chicken fingers. Ito, your kids will love this. And on the side, you can always add wedges of lemon para if you want it just simple lemon, pwede din, no? Parang mala fish and chips. Tikman nga natin kung masarap pa talaga. Very tender. Properly seasoned yung aking chicken. Yung tama na yung lemon butter sauce natin. So here's another simple recipe you can do for your family for the weekend. Ating chicken fingers with a lemon butter sauce. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!